internal walkthrough, Riviera, 3850. As you can see, this vessel's got extended shelter up here, and your side skirts all the way around. So in weather like today, makes it really nice and practical out here. Nice big cockpit, teak laid. Teak is in very good condition. You've got your steps to your flybridge, your door, and access to your engine room is down through here. You can see, really nice and tidy. As you move through into the saloon, all the woodwork's in really good condition. Got nice L-shaped seating, your dining table and TV in here. Your galley is forward but not too far forward and not too far down, which is nice. You can still be part of what's going on in the saloon when you're down here. You've got your fridge, 2-burner electric cooktop and your microwave here. Lots of storage in here as well. Moving down, your starboard side bunk cabin. 2 good sized bunks. Again, plenty of storage. There's cupboards and bits and pieces everywhere. Your forward master, cupboards to the side. And your bathroom on the port side. So you've got an electric flush toilet, your basin and shower. Nice full height with closable door. As you can move back in the boat, you'd notice that if it was a bit nicer having all this opened up, she's nice, light and airy. All the vinyl's in good nick. Covers for the carpets and everything. On the back you've got a brand new Yamaha 5 horsepower for your tender. Gas barbecue there as well. As you move up in the vessel, you've got near new clears all the way around. Ray Marine navigation gear with autopilot. Powered by twin Cummins, this vessel, about 1300 hours on each of them. All your engine gauges, your chain counter and bow and stern thrusters up here. Also a remote for your bow and stern thrusters, just in case you want to park it from downstairs. Nice little forward facing seat up here as well. Obviously you've got the cup holders and everything like that.